welcome to my YouTube fam, O Baru. Before we begin the video, I would like to give a shout out of last week. I know it's a small shout out, but we begin small and grow larger. First one, Yukesh Jha. Second, Alamelu Kavya. Third, Karthik Reddy. Fourth, Ambati Manas. Fifth, Kaushik Vinakoda. Thank you so much guys again for joining my new fam. Love you all. Now coming to the topic, after my previous episode, I got many requests from many doctors to give detailed information about Fachsprachprüfung in Germany. I'll try to make some series of episodes on Fachsprachprüfung in Germany in coming days. Today, I want to discuss about how to apply for Fachsprachprüfung in Germany in Sachsen-Anhalt state. Now coming to prerequisite for applying Fachsprachprüfung. First one, B2 level of German language certification. That is obvious, you people already knew it. And second one, Einstellungsursager. That is job offer letter, either from Krankenhaus or Praxis. Hospitation letter is not similar to job offer letter. You need job offer letter for sure. Third, documents translation and backlogging. All your original documents should be translated from certified translator. All your documents should be notarized from notar, or your documents can be notarized in Rathaus even. Document submission. It's not a simple procedure. To make it easy for you people, I've divided this step into 3 subdivisions. Now coming to the first one, you should send all your original translated notarized documents to Landesverwaltungsamt, that is in Halle. So once they receive your documents, they will verify all your documents. If everything is fine with your documents, then you will receive Eingangsbestätigung, that is an acknowledgement, within 2 to 3 weeks after your submission of your documents. What all documents need to be submitted, I'll give the link of the website in the description box. Just check it out. Now coming to second one, you should send your Eingangsbestätigung to Erste Kammer. Then you will receive another acknowledgement with an invoice for the fee of 430 euros within 1 or 2 weeks. Point to be noted, you should pay the fee within the 15 days of the arrival of the invoice. Now coming to third step, you have to pay your fees. Then you will receive the exam date within 2 to 3 months. You can select a particular month in which month you want to give your exam. Mostly you will get your exam date in that month only. Point to be noted, you will get your exam date exactly before 1 month. For example, you think you have your exam on September 1st. Then you will receive your exam date on August 1st. Exactly 1 month before. So by calculating all this waiting period from the time you submit all your documents till you write your exam, it may take an average duration of 11 to 17 weeks. Yes, for me it took 14 weeks. That comes around 3.5 months. Yes, it's 3.5 months. I think most of your doubts have been cleared in this video, like where to apply, what to apply, and how much time does it take to write your exam after submitting all your documents in Sachsen-Anhalt state. This is all about the application process in Sachsen-Anhalt. After my previous video, I got many queries from many doctors asking questions about Fachsprachprüfung. So I've decided to make 2 or 3 more videos on FSP. Just let me know in the comment section for the next week topic about the exam preparation and what all books need to be followed, or else how did my exam go.